I think we just got all the likes from the people tuning in. We got a little bit more music too coming from Hater Alert Records. I think I got 1 or 2 more that we haven't played, but we gonna drop I wanna play it again one time. Yeah. Got to say?
We were first out on the you know what I'm saying? We were just drunk up. I don't know what's my CD.
I got like homegirl. She was just like today. I holla at me.
You got me. You can't be
What the fuck you mean, man? We here, family before all, nigga. 3 Dot motherfucking Mafia, nigga. Louisiana, Houston, nigga. Panther Lake, nigga. 960. Hey, you niggas is pussy to me. You niggas is pussy to me. All of you niggas got some black hoes, everybody they wanna compete. You niggas is pussy to me. You niggas is rookies to me. Flexing for image, man, that shit ain't cool to me. You niggas is pussy to me. You niggas is pussy to me. Gossip like hoes, man, everybody that wanna compete. I know. You niggas is pussy, you niggas is pussy, you niggas is pussy to me. If you ain't with that 3, move around for you end up on a T.
Nigga, get around me. Got a whole bunch of young niggas who ready, plus they got a bounty on your head, but I ain't put it though. I know that you niggas pussy though. Won't worry about another nigga business. Need to worry about how you always broke. I know one thing, I'm really getting cake. These pussy niggas and bitches hate. Finna strip the rap game naked. and get her high like a skyscraper. To the top where we gon' go, bitch, we up in airplane mode. Got a problem with me, then say it then. These niggas ain't playing with it. Got drums on our shit, but we ain't gon' bring it out. I'm gonna please let me make it, I got a child. You niggas put you niggas is you niggas pussy to me. All of you niggas just like hoes, everybody wanna compete. Niggas is pussy to me. You niggas is kill me. Flex it for his man, this shit cool with me. I see your money, my girl tell my I can niggas blindfold. Come here, you listen, I'm death mode. They don't club on that playing mode. All you niggas pussy, fuck you. Chopping like I'm to my block killer. Got this color transparent. When I see me fall, they can't stand nigga. You like my world kill me. You niggas pussy, you act, you body. You niggas ain't, you niggas is just up the post, you niggas just feel it. You niggas feel it. I'm up in these markets, stick it touching where you live at. Brought up against this. You niggas know you hooker. All that talking, I ain't with it. Wrist spray on that. Teach my bitch, nigga, fuck a nigga. Bitch me. I don't give a fuck about none of you niggas. Fuck all you niggas. You niggas is pussies to me. I don't flow none of you niggas. Man, I'm a gorilla in this motherfucking streets. A gorilla in this motherfucking rap game. Untamed, I'm a motherfucking beast. I'm insane in a motherfucking membrane. Bitch, what you niggas gon' talk? You niggas can't really eat up in the motherfucking streets. Bitch, I been ballin', got money, got rest in my pocket right now. Nigga, you cheat. Fuck ass nigga. My niggas, we winning. My niggas, we winning. My niggas, we winning. These niggas won't fuck with my team. Bitch, you wasn't fucking with us from the beginning. Now I see you pussy nigga smiling at nigga face. I know you don't like me on the cool. On the cool nigga, I get your move, bitch.
You niggas is pussy to me. You niggas is pussy to me. All of you niggas got some like hoes. Everybody ain't wanna compete. You niggas is pussy to me. You niggas is rookies to me. Flexing for image, man, that shit ain't cool to me.
Hey, what's up, world? I'm DH the motherfucking Sultan. I'm in here with Carly motherfucking Black. You tuned in with Diamond Life Radio, man. Pay fucking attention.
I've been peeping all the signs that you've been giving me. And you know I want you, but I cannot act too swiftly. You make me wetter, and boy, you make me better. My body is your body, this is your type of body. Yes, I said it and I mean it. I'm not sorry if it's naughty. Thinking about what you gonna do to me. My body craves you. It's clear to see you're my number one fantasy. Feeling cool inside like an ocean breeze. And kiss on my thighs while I roll your trees. Got my pennies all soaked, yeah, you know you're free. Oh daddy, come eat this pussy. Rock it, don't stop it. Rock it, don't stop it, boy. Say rock it, don't stop it. Rock it, don't stop it, boy. Say rock it, don't stop it. Rock it, don't stop it, boy. Say rock it, don't stop it. Rock it, don't stop it, boy. I've been peeping all the signs that you've been giving me. And you know I want you, but I cannot act too swiftly. You make me wetter, and boy, you make me better. Rock it, don't stop it, boy.
Hey, boy. Chill. Boy, I'm on my way to this line. I see them when I top my gun. Like out of sight, I find the ground. Wake up
finish line. Got some haters in the way trying to stop my grind, but I keep it pushing like it's overtime. Out of sight, out of mind when it's crunch time. Pull the curtains back when the rats pack. I'm on Full Metal Jacket if they come in black. No screws in the brain when the money flat. Walter B with the feel, I'm talking real facts. No fools for gold, this away here. Niggas brag on shit that they ain't never near. I'm cutting ties with folks like flying shoelaces. Put the T back and drill, I'm UGK pacing. Home man, I'm foreign to these new niggas. Chuck me with the flow, I be really spitting. In case the crowds are smitten, I got blue mittens. Palms are never sweaty like new fittings. Married the game like it was my Bonnie. And the ladies love me like I'm new money. Cause when I tell them I'm single with no kids, they kitty get wet. I call it showbiz, yeah. I'm the type that thinks muggy inside the fog. No job is too big, I kill it southpaw. Texas raised through the Fort Worth 80s and 90s. Then the system locked me in for most of my life. And I wonder if the being wasn't so trifling. Now the course got hella mic in it. Cause no one will get an ease way about the payday. Ring the alarm, let's call it Mayday. I'm on my way to the finish line. Got some haters in the way trying to stop my grind, but I keep it pushing like it's overtime. Out of sight, out of mind when it's crunch time. I'm on my way to the finish line. Got some haters in the way trying to stop my grind, but I keep it pushing like it's overtime. Out of sight, out of mind when it's crunch time. Can't no one tell ya I haven't been full flat. When the heat come hotter than tailpipe flats. Front line, even in the mind I'm moving. When the coke go fofo pow, and you knew I'm better than that in the first place. Like when dudes go to getting in they feelings, and I'm over here smoking up the ceiling. And on the sly, your girl giving me eyelash drillings. I keep it grooving, I'm a gangster from the Heights section. M-Dub on the stomach, Metroplex. And I rode Miller Avenue for many nights. On the prowl with a growl and a mean right. To uppercut the dirty individuals that plot against me, but are just like me. I mean it's pitiful trying to get rid of you. Hood gone under, so critical. And the last I saw with a raw eye was the police shooting a nigga on Facebook Live. Thought it was fake, then it went viral. Then another one, like a spiral. But I won't retire my speak up on the subject, hoping my music is played in public. Ain't no questions when it comes to my agreeing with Farrakhan, because it's vision I be seeing. Realness.
What up, world? It's your boy Jay Relentless, and you are now tuned in to Diamond Life Radio Station, one of the livest internet radio stations ever. If you ain't tuned in, get tuned in now.
Still got a long way to go. Started from the bottom like where the hell we go, but a nigga kept grinding, boy, you already know. Had plenty struggles, but a nigga getting through. Had plenty times when I ain't know what the fuck to do. Smoking on this doty just to get a nigga loose, cause some of these niggas left me hanging like a noose. But it's all good, cause a young nigga still living, getting money, fucking hoes, yeah, nigga, that's a given. Back on my bullshit, MJ's got it pippin'. I'm ballin' on these hoes, alley-oop, Blake Griffin. Niggas wanted me to ball, but a nigga said fuck, I'm all up on my nuts, told them pussy niggas suck, I'm tryna bring a nigga down, cause a young nigga making it, they want what I got, so they gon' try taking it. You niggas can't stop my grind, stop my hustle, stop my mind, stop my heart, stop my shine. I'm success, I'm doing fine. You ain't doing shit but doing time. You hating on me out of line. Think you better, must be blind. Ain't catching up, you out of time. Getting old, out of prime. You getting dull, out of shine. You trying to steal, you know it's mine. I thought I told y'all niggas I'm going to the motherfucking top. I'm never gonna drop and I'm never gonna stop. It's a long way, but I'm still gon' pop. I gotta keep grinding, don't stop. Gotta keep grinding, don't stop. Gotta keep grinding, don't stop. Man, it's a long ass way to the top. Man, I can never give up. Man, I can never give up. Man, I can never give up. No, man, I can never give up. Man, I can never give up. Man, I can never give up.